up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for like a month now, but I just got finished with school and it's summertime, so I'm about to start putting videos out and giving y'all way more updates on the truck. We're about to head to Daniels right now so we can check on the truck and see how far they've came, and I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we just made it to Daniels, so we about to see what they have done, and we're just gonna look at it. I'm not gonna show you what color they're painting the truck yet. There's gonna be a surprise, but we are gonna see how far they are into getting it done. So let's go see. So we're in the shop, and this is the bed to my truck right here, and this is my truck. It's in the paint booth, so I guess today or tomorrow they're gonna actually start painting the rest of the truck. They do have some of it painted. Can't show y'all though. They are painting this frame. I had painted this way before, like when I very first got the truck, because it was nasty looking, but they're about to take all of this apart and paint the frame the same color they're painting the truck. So y'all see that in a later video. I don't know if you guys can tell from this angle, but I need to go get an alignment. So whenever I get the truck back, that's what I'm gonna do. And the spacers are coming off, so those will be coming on. I'm gonna leave the back ones on. Find the keys and see if we can start it. They might be in it. Let's see. Man, do I miss that sound. Ooh. Hold on, let me show y'all. Do is paint the cab and the frame and the bed, and that's really it. They have all the doors painted, door jambs painted. He's working on the cab today. He's getting it sanded down and getting it ready for paint, so that's good. So she's almost done. We're almost back. So we're standing in the rain, so I'm probably gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned as the build progresses and as I keep dropping these videos on the progression. And when we get her back, man, we're going crazy. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to keep going and keep growing.